I've always liked electrical. I've always liked to fix my wires and my computers and my desktop. I always told myself I would never go to college. My mom was like, why don't you try welding? And I'm like, I would love welding because I don't want a job where I sit down and do paperwork. And my brother, he attended the program and he was like, you should try electrical. I'll tell you some of the things I'm learning. We'll see if you like it. We're going over the power lines and the transformers and I'm like, this is actually pretty cool. He shows me some YouTube videos and I'm like, wow. And I'm a new mom. I have 2 babies. So I'm like, I can't do school and take care of a child like this. So my mom's like, you can do it. I did it. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do it. I was very nervous, hesitant. I was like, I don't have a job. What am I gonna do? So I just did it. I love everything about it. It's amazing. My teachers are really good teachers and it makes a world of difference when you have a teacher that can understand you and helps you. Honestly, I thought I was just gonna come into it and learn how to do like residential, commercial, electrical, but we started doing industrial this year and it's my favorite so far. And learning about computers, about IP addresses, HMIs, PLCs. It's like a robot, you know, a robot controls something. And it's really cool learning that and having that under my belt if I wanted to go into that field. I think this is honestly just such an amazing school to attend. There's just so many opportunities. I love it. I love everything about it. I do. It's like my break from home. It's like my second home. Like I don't have my children with me, but it's still stressful because it's school obviously, but I love it here. I do.